Hello, this is Bhavya. I am representing the team of Avengers, the Warriors. Today, we are going to practice sounds pronunciation. My practice in sounds are ear, H-E-A-R, here, T-H-E-R-E, there, J, J-U-S-T, just, G-E-R-M-E-N, German, T, T-E-M-P-L-E, temple, K, C-A-P-A-B-L-E, capable. Thank you.
This is Jupiter Sai. Myself, sound practicer. What? W-H-A-T, what? Why? W-I-L-D, why? What? Very. V-E-R-Y, very. Company. C-O-M-P-A-N-Y, company. Copy. C-O-P-Y, copy.
Hello, this is Teresa. My sounds are ta, ta, tolerance, pure, da, danger, just, justice, eight, bright.
Hello, this is Ganesh. My pronouns sounds are ghost, G-O-H-T, knee, K-N-W, original, O-R-I-G-I-O-N, tag, T-I-V-E, tag.
Hi, this is Shamla. Myself practicing in sounds are away, acclaim, A-W-A-Y, away, A-C-C-A-L-I-A-M, acclaim, tandem, T-A-N-D-E-M, tandem, room, B-R-O-O-M, room, E, breach, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breach, egg, E-Z-Z, egg.
This is Ajay. My practicing on sounds are A-W-A-K-E, awake, A-L-O-W, allow, A-C-R-O-S-S, across, E-T-R-E-E, tree, fast, F-A-S-T, fast.
Hi, this is Vasudha. My sound practices are fa, F-A-N-A-T-I-S-T, fantastic, pure, C-U-R-E, pure, A-E-N-T-R-T-A-I-N-M-E-N-T, entertainment, ja, P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E, pleasure, sa, S-E-R-E, serve,